signals from Voyager 1, and so far, it continues to talk back to us. Since our methods for detecting signals have improved drastically over the past 50 years, there isn't really a limit on how far we can communicate with objects in space. With our current technology, we could reliably communicate with objects that are many light years away from us, as long as our receivers are sensitive and accurate enough to pick up the extremely weak signals. As Voyager travels further and further away from Earth, it takes longer to send and receive signals. The signal strength also gets weaker and data rates become slower, making it harder and harder to communicate with the spacecraft. Voyager 1 will continue on its journey indefinitely, and although there is technically no limit to how far we can communicate, our communication with Voyager 1 only has a few years left. Since Voyager 1 is nuclear-powered, its electrical power weakens each day. In 1990, in order to save power, engineers turned off the spacecraft's camera after Voyager took the famous pale blue image, which showed Earth as a tiny blue pixel against the darkness of space. Today, only 4 out of the 11 scientific instruments on Voyager 1 are still active. These instruments are being used to collect data on magnetic fields, solar winds, and cosmic rays outside of our solar system. In around 8 years, Voyager 1 will completely run out of power and will no longer be able to keep its instruments going. Scientists will continue to communicate with the space probe and receive the important information it gathers until it eventually sends its last bit of data and disappears silently into space, never to be heard from ever again. So although the end is near for the Voyager space probes, we can appreciate the incredible journey they have been on and the valuable science they have taught us. Thank you to the Primal Space patrons who helped to write and research each video. If you'd like to contribute to Primal Space, please visit patreon.com/primalspace, where we'll be doing a giveaway of a Saturn V Lego set once we reach 50 patrons. So make sure you're subscribed so you can join the discussion as we continue to learn more about all things space. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.